Hello everybody, so this is part 2 of social media legislation in South Africa. Our first topic is the Association of African Election Authorities, the AAEA. Now, I will give you a brief overview of why this entity exists and what mandate is regarding social media. Our second topic, we are looking at the word crimen injuria, understand it as well as how to avoid this particular criminal act. Third topic is an overview of social media ethics, and it's just things that we need to know and adhere to when we post content. In the last topic, I'm bringing to you all the different types of social media legislation that is available for you if you have a legal problem. Let's get started. Hello everybody. So today is election day and the opportunity to bring the following to you regarding the Association of African Election Authorities, the AAEI. The 27th of Feb 2024, digital and social media guidelines to migrate political social media abuse was launched by this association. The launch event was attended by 16 African nations from countries that will all hold elections in 2024 and 2025. This one, the development of clear and a comprehensive plan for responsible social media use during the election campaigns. Second guideline is the African states and regulatory authorities must refrain from imposing measures that might disrupt access to the internet, load shedding, and to digital and social media. Call on social media operators to treat political parties and candidates equitably and ensure that their online messaging, including that of their supporters, does not undermine electoral integrity or contravene human rights. The South African Deputy President stated that we should use social media with responsibility to ensure that the content we share is credible and accurate. Thank you for listening. Best of luck. Hi everybody. So when you post content on social media, there's a particular term that you need to understand and also know how to avoid it. And this is crimen injuria. Now, crimen injuria consists of unlawfully and intentionally impairing the dignity or privacy of another person. Crimen injuria is a criminal offense in South Africa. How do you avoid crimen injuria? The first one, do not post content which is degrading, humiliating, or seriously insulting to another person, because that person can lay a criminal charge of crimen injuria against you. The second thing, do not post content which could seriously impair the dignity of another person. And here we talk about racism, homophobia, anti-Semitism, etc. Steps that you can take in the event that should you have been subjected to crimen injuria. First, you will lay a criminal injuria charge at the police station. The second step, the police will provide the complainant with the information notice setting out all the information that is required to apply for a protection order from the court. Best of luck. Hello everybody. Social media ethics. So the first one, always think before you post anything on social media, because you could face legal consequences. The second thing, you can be sued for tweeting a statement that could cause harm to others. Even if you're not the original person that created the content, but rather just somebody that posted, if that shared tweet is malicious, you can be held accountable for it as well. The third one, stealing somebody's images is theft. Okay, so this is when you're using somebody's content as if it's your own. So without any permission to do so or given credit to that author or artist. Okay, legal action can be taken against you. When you use somebody else's creation without their permission, you are violating a copyright law and you could be liable for copyright infringement. Let's go. Point number 4. You can get fired for things you say on your personal social media profiles. If you share malicious content about your employer on social media, your employer can dismiss you as it's considered a breakdown in the working relationship or breach of trust. Even if you do not state where you work, but a simple Google search might lead to your place of employment, yes, you can get fired. Then the last one, misleading the public. And to believe this is the millions you're going to make. No, you're not. It pertains to the influencers and bloggers. If a brand has paid you to advertise a certain product or service, you should make it absolutely clear that you have a relationship with that brand. Thank you for listening. Best of luck. Hi, everybody. So just to bring under your attention, should a legal problem arise on social media, you need to know there isn't just one particular piece of legislation that will be used for that problem. There's several pieces of legislation in South Africa, and I've listed them for you. So that's also why you need to consult with a lawyer or with legal aid. You do feel you need to address a situation. Best of luck.